Hello everybody, welcome back to Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a cover for boAt Airdopes 121 Pro, which I have purchased from Amazon for around 270 Indian rupees. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check this out. So let's unbox it. So the product comes inside this small airtight bag. It's silicone. The material is silicone here, so it's very soft. So let us try it with our boAt AirPods. So here is my boAt AirPod. Well, the fit is perfect, and yeah, it is perfect. And the charging port is also accessible. This one is also provided this hook, so you can use this like this. In this price point, the product is really good. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video. Stay tuned until then.